How's my hair look? My hair looks bad. Woo! Shiny and shit. Woo! Okay, y'all. So you guys saw me last week on Instagram. Instacart sent me this 3-pound bag of lemons. This 3-pound bag of lemons I did not ask for. Showed up at my door. So life literally gave me lemons. And all you motherfuckers who said make lemonade, you're all blocked. So none of y'all have seen this because I know I already canceled you guys. So, but what I did appreciate, what I did love, is when I threw out the question, okay, you know, what kind of things should I make with these lemons? What can I do with this big ass bag of lemons that can be delicious and fun? Y'all came back with some fantastic ideas. But most of you guys were saying things like lemon meringue pie, lemon curd, lemon tarts, that kind of thing. It was all based on basically, you know, lemon curd. So you know what? That's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna do a lemon curd for you guys. But if you guys ever watch these videos before, you ever see me do these tutorials before, you know I'm kind of extra. I like to go all the way up and all the way out. So I'm gonna be doing a lemon curd pavlova. For those of you guys who know what that is or don't know what that is. A lemon curd pavlova. It's gonna be beautiful, it's gonna be delicious, light, airy, very sweet. And look at Sade in the back. What's up, Sade? She's there every day looking over me. I love that woman. So, you know, I'm gonna be doing a lemon curd pavlova today. It's pretty damn simple. We're gonna run through it. It's gonna be beautiful. So go ahead and watch. Boop. Okay, guys, welcome to my kitchen here, you know, in the West End of Vancouver. Been here for 3 months, and if you saw the rest of this place, you would drag me for shame. It is not set up at all. So I'm being very selective as to what I show you. I got my kitchen behind me. That's set up all right. That came with the apartment. I didn't have to do shit. But what I got in front of me here is the ingredients we need basically to make this lemon curd pavlova. Well, at least the meringue part. With lemon curd, with any kind of pavlova that you make, you know, basically what it is egg whites. Egg whites and sugar fluffed up and then cooked in the oven at a low temperature for kind of a long time. So what I got here in front of me is I got 6 eggs. I got 3 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of crème de tartare, cream of tartar, I guess. And in the bottom of this cup, I got about a teaspoon of white vinegar. You guys, I forgot one of the most important parts of the meringue for the pavlova, and that's sugar. Shame on me. Blew right past it. And we cannot make this without sugar. It just wouldn't taste right at all. Now you're probably wondering why I got this sugar in a Magic Bullet container. Shout out to Magic Bullet. Sponsor me? Because for meringue, you want to use castor sugar. For pavlova, you want to use castor sugar. And castor sugar is like a really fine sugar. We're going to put it in the Magic Bullet and we're going to blast it a couple of times. It's going to come out kind of, a little bit dusty, not too dusty, a little dusty. And that's what we're going to use for the pavlova, for the meringue. Boom. Okay, so for this pavlova base, we are going to be beating these egg whites to the max, okay? We're going to beat them all the way up. And, you know, for those of you who saw my my videos before, you knew I had this blender. I had this blender that was on its last legs, the most tired ass blender you've ever seen in your life. The thing was blowing out smoke, blowing out gas. But as I was trying to blend up, you know, whatever it was, milk and nuts and all kinds of crazy stuff I was cooking. Well, you know, I don't want to disappoint you guys. So for the blender, you're gonna see one, or sorry, for the mixer, you're gonna see one that's just as old. So that tired ass blender that wanted to just sit down and relax, this is its cousin. This 1981 probably, Sunbeam. This thing's older than I am. Like when I was a kid, this thing was already in the household. So it's like an early 80s Sunbeam mixer. We're gonna be using this bad boy to to puff up these eggs. So here we go.
I know I wrote you 2 songs. I guess this time I won't be taking long. I got a lot of things to say, I need to come up strong. I really need to get it straight, I can't be waiting long. I came across a list of things, but that's a lot of names. I feel the need to do you.
Our little blender didn't do too badly, did it? Check out that beautiful meringue. There's nothing quite like beautiful whipped egg whites. They're so, you know, angelic and fairy and beautiful. Anyhow, so there you go. Let's move on to the next step. Okay guys, so now we got our egg whites all beaten. We got our beautiful meringue all sorted out. What I got next is I got a cookie sheet here with some parchment paper on top. And this right here is just like a cake pan spring form, you know, like the ring that goes around it. This is all you need. This is gonna help us basically shake the pavlova here on the pan before we throw it in the oven. So I'm just gonna take like these dollops of the pavlova and I'm gonna just throw them in like this and start to build our beautiful pavlova.
No good fella, no I won't tell her. You go get her, go Cinderella. You done read what I said, that's it gone to your head, yeah.
Okay, so it's time to get going on this lemon curd. I've taken a seat because this is gonna require some real muscle power. I got this lemon squeezer from the grocery store just this morning. Hope to God this thing doesn't break. What do y'all think? How sturdy does that look? We're about to find out. And here she is, the bag of lemons. This girl that showed up a few days ago, or I guess last week. We're gonna try and get like half a liter of lemon juice out of this. Shouldn't be that hard. How many is it gonna take? I have no idea. You guys can place your bets right now. Is it gonna be 3, 4, 5? Let's find out.
Well, if it's over, then ride a roller coasters. Why you roller getting heavy? It's a boulder. Ride on her, I don't mean to hug the holster. All that you have is not enough. I gave you love and now you're getting none. She gon' pull the trigger to her gun. Whoa, ah.
Okay, so it made an absolute mess. An absolute mess. But you can't even really tell. I'm covered in lemon juice right now. Like I got it all over my clothes and stuff. Anyway, but here we go. I only needed half a cup of lemon juice, and that's like probably a full cup for sure. And it took, let's count, 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lemons. And for all you Greta Thunbergs out there, environmentalists, don't you worry. I'm gonna compost these. I could use the skin for zest, couldn't I? Fuck, whatever.
When we love again, it's a sweet escape. For a little while, a little while, for a little while, for a little while. 'Cause when we're fighting, you get under my skin. Just for a little while, a little while, for a little while, for a little while. You see through me, 'cause I'm paper thin. You pressing on me, make sure you win. I'm not skeptical. You put out the
Okay guys, here it is. Our lemon curd. And we got our pavlova out of the oven. I'm trying to be super delicate with this. I'm just gonna tilt it up ever so slightly. Boom. You'll get a closer look in a second. So anyway, the lemon curd is all nice and cool. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit and start to fill it in. So here we go.
I wore my heart on my sleeve, causing me to bleed it all out. I knew I wouldn't last. How could I last? I couldn't ask. But you see through me, 'cause I'm paper thin. You pressing on me, make sure you win. I'm not skeptical for thinking you'd put out the spark. See through me, 'cause I let you in. Thought that I could grow, thought that I could grow. How was I to know? How was I to know? Thought that I could grow, thought that I could grow. How was I to know?
What do you guys think, eh? From a bag of lemons to a beautiful lemon curd pavlova. Absolutely gorgeous. It really worked out well. I got a little nervous when I forgot to grease the ring that was around this, and it started to stick to So you can see where it kind of sort of, you know, fell apart, but you know what? I think it adds to it. Adds a little bit of color to it. I'm just gonna steal this right here. And nothing left to do next but eat the damn thing. Let's give it a shot. Okay, here we go. Here's my little piece of the pavlova. I'm not even gonna use a fork. This will hold. Maybe it won't. Oh, let me get a fork. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Consistency as well. It's like heaven. It's so good. The lemon curd is so nice and sweet and creamy and a bit tart. And the meringue is so nice and chewy. You got, this is so damn good. Okay. Thanks for watching. I promise to do these more regularly. When life gives you lemons, make lemon curd pavlova. Thanks for watching. Bye.